Not too sure how long this video is, but my buddy Soto mentioned a car meet at the Paneras in Menifee. And don't get me wrong, I love my Paneras, but I'm like, really? I don't even know who the promoter is. Nothing. I haven't seen anything on social media. And guess what? He wasn't lying. It's really small right now, but I'll hopefully start recording some more cars and the people that come in. But hey, a little mini meet in Menifee. Can't blame that. Let's go take a look. Carbon fiber, the hardware. Love those minis. They've gotten bigger and bigger throughout the years, but this is a good size overall. Cooper S, love it. Oh, I bet it sounds good. Denon too, Denon exhaust. Denon. Love it. Black on black, love black on black. 5.0. Dude. Can't wait to start seeing the new Mustangs, but this is nice. Black on black. I love black on black. Hey, look, it's a Prius Prime. Doesn't the front half look like it? That's funny. This is clean though. Fun fact, my first girlfriend ever drove one of these. So I kind of started learning how to drive on one of these too. Prius Prime, love it. Dang, that's Patty Pimblets. These with the lures. Let's go around. Dang, 392 with the lip, everything looks good. It's probably like the best overall what you need for a Charger. The other stuff is cool, the Hell Kitties are amazing, but this is all you need. Dang, old school Buick, I like it. I like it a lot. It's gonna look cool when it's all done. This is nice, this is very well kept. Interior's nice. Skylark. What is Marissa Tomei? That's cool. Inside look. Dude. Love the way it looks. Old school. Old school America. Dang, V8. Is this the one with the crazy timing chain that's like a pain in the neck, like it's an engine drop? V8. I think this is the one with the timing chain facing the firewall, so in order to do like a tensioner, you have to drop the whole motor. It's still beast though, dude. He has a slam all over the back. You know what has a really good back seat is the Mercedes convertibles, dude. Versus a pure convertible. Dude, I gotta go get the Honda 2000. I love how Japanese it looks. Wait, pom pom. The paint's beautiful on this. I wonder how much the maintenance has been. But doesn't it look so classy, dude? C-Jag S-Type. I just love like how classy, like 90s it looks. So good. Dang, GR86, GT86. No, this is GT86. Black on black. Dang, ST. So jealous. And now these things are worth mad money. And you know what? I'm telling you, the Ford Focus RS, you guys all hated on it. And I bet everyone's going to be missing that Focus RS because you guys didn't pick them up. Black on black, love it. This Camaro is pretty beast. It sounded crazy pulling in. Crazy wheels. Future bad SS. Yeah, this thing sounded nuts coming in. Pretty legit. SS, get them while you can. Not your grandma's Elantra anymore. Inline too. Glad to see Hyundai actually doing something. Oh, it's a manual. Nice, save the manuals, baby. Inline. Crazy. I don't know how well it's gonna age, but I'm glad that they're actually doing something. And then old school V8 Magnum. Heck yeah. Take the kids to school in this. Legit. With the hentai stickers. Scatty Patty comes alive. Love that Dodge Rumble, who doesn't? Yo, what's up everyone? Sorry I got the light going on, but we are here at Detail Garage's Trunk or Treat. Got my Ichiban shirt on, support them. It's a nice warm October day, so can't wait to go take a look to see some cool trunks, get some free candy. I'm not gonna get a candy day, that's messed up. And let's go take a look at the cars. The one time it's okay to pull up to a trunk and take candy from the stranger. Love it. Let's go see some cars. Got the anime car. I like the window tint. It's like a red window tint. It's pretty cool. Old school Chevy. Nice. Dang, this one's clean. Chrome. Nice. Even the interior is great. Wow. That's awesome. Nicely done. Nicely done. Ooh, hello. See the trunk. Dang. Legit. It's just cool. Best one here. This is pretty sweet. Love the skeletons inside. Nice, nice.
It belongs to the streets. Oh my goodness.
Oh, here's a candy. Any more candy left? Oh, it's all gone. Super sweet Mustang. Nice, pink. And wolves. Very cool. Oh. Love the spider going on. Oh, there you go.
Touch the bolt, Southside. Touch the bolt.
Let's see. Oh, that's a good jump here. Oh.
This goes off too.
Oh, that's some creepy stuff, man. I love it. Great setup here. Best one I've seen.
Thank you.
Got the Tesla. Super sweet candy red. I love the little animal. Got the Yodas. It's pretty sweet Ford. Love the methods on it. More anime cars. Very nice. Super sweet. Nice free candy. Spiders all over it. I love the pink Camaro. Ooh, Dia de los Muertos. Very cool. GT86, black on black. Hyundai gang. Hyundai gang. Cheap rear wheel drive, dude. Can't complain with these. Super sweet Teggy. Old school. Cord gang. Legit. Oh, backing it up. Back it up, baby. VIP in the back. Oh, type Civic Si. So sick. Dang. Love it, man. Grew up on these because you couldn't get an EM1 Civic Si at the time. Super sweet Z. This was clean. Where'd you come from? Nismo. Then he redid all the radiator pipes. This one looks good. Super sweet. Got the Mitsubishis. Ooh, GR Corolla. Nice. Model S. White on white gang over here. White on white. White on white. Ooh, Golf R. That's awesome. Underrated car. I love this one. Got the VIP in the front. Oh, super sweet Celica. Old school. Dang. Oh, it reminds me of rally racing. Silverado. I gotta be careful with copyright. Ooh, super sweet bike, maroon. Someone loves maroon. TRD 4x4. Sick. Love the convertible, you know me and convertibles. Mustang gang. Oh, look at this. Crazy. I would be kind of, ooh, dang, GT350R. What? Beast. Ray's new Cobra. Super sick. He has a yellow one too. Dang. Beast. Can't even see through this. Nice. Good job, Ray. Nicely done. Super sweet Bronco. I love the way the Bronco looks, dude. Bimmer. Bike Club. Dumped Taquachi style Chevy. Low riding. Yeah, dude. I love the Bronco look, but I think the Jeep's still a little more capable. And the IROC. Sick. Oh. Old school caddy. Like the canvas top. Old school, man. Other than that, that's pretty cool. Nice. Dang, this one's sick, dude. Suzuki Samurai. What? Dude, these are so fun. Is it a Samurai or a Geo Tracker? I think they're all the same stuff, isn't it? Dude. Cool Bimmer gang. This one looks legit. Dude. Challenger gang. RT. Ooh, Corvette, convertible, maroon. Dang. With a bash bar. Super sweet. Ooh, G6. Chevy. Family Mobile. Ichiban's Business Mobile. GMC. And a Prius. Nice. Super sweet. Challenger. Red on black looks really good with the wings matching the wheels. I like it. Yeah, super cool. Good, nice, clean, simple. Very cool. Dang, Accord gang. Legit. Oh, I love the bloody handprints. Dang. Honda gang on point. Orange pumpkin. Super sweet. Love the flat paint. It's nice. Look at the little party back here too. Nice. With the Norteños playing. It's cool. Dang, I wonder where everyone was at. That's about it. You know, I got most of the cars. I know I was late, but I know everyone's busy, dude. We're all waiting for the holidays. Then it's gonna get crazy, but for me, it slows down nice and easy. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching, supporting the channel. I will be getting back on the podcasting. Don't worry, again, just need things to slow down a little bit. Catch you guys on the next one.